Right, hi YouTube. Today we're going to have a look at putting some tokens in the Commencal. I've noticed at the bottom of the stroke it seems to dive. Just right there I can feel it, which I quite like to firm it up a bit. So we've got some RockShox Bottomless tokens, and we've got the RockShox adapter. I've attempted to put a GoPro on the bike and show the stroke. Open the bike up to see if there's any tokens in there. So this is basically, let's see what's in there. If there's not, we're going to put 2 in, stick the GoPro on and do a video and see if it makes any difference. Right, so for those things, we're going to take the cap off. Put somewhere safe. So we've got the shock pump. And we're currently at 90 psi. So we're going to let the air out of this. Bit of finger action. Try and show you. So all the air is out of the bike. Token fits in there. Okay, so I've got my socket and the correct orientation. I've never done this before, so we're all in this together. Here she comes. Oh. Right, so basically just down to hand tightness. And there we are. So we got 1 token in there. Okay, up on the bench, so if that's got 1, I'm going to go for 3 tokens then. So bit of trial and error then. Try not to cross thread. So we're adding 2 more into the chamber. Okay, now popping back on. Starting up fingers so it doesn't cross thread or anything. Change the spanner. Right, now to undo it, I'm going to go for about that. Okay, I'm going to pump him up. I'm going to take it up to about 20 there. Up to 50. Just want to cycle the bike through the suspension just to I'm going to take it back up to where we were, which is about there, 90, which was recommended on the RockShox. Put the cap on just to keep the crap out. I'll chuck the videos up now. Right, but I can honestly say that made a big difference. Going down the steps, I was able to control. It wasn't bouncing off like that, so you could feel it. Much better. Obviously, I can't test it because I've still got a week of quarantine left from these stupid travelling from Lanzarote rules. So, I'm limited to garden riding, but instantly I can feel that. So yeah, adding 2 has made a big difference in that. So recommended. Right, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.